Hello guys, so welcome to this video, and this is a presentation video on AI website development money blueprint. This is one of my Fiverr accounts, as you can see right now, right? And you can see this person gave me a project on website design and development, and this is equivalent to $750, and the person also sent me £100 on my Stripe account, which is equivalent to $115, and I'm also helping the same person to do monthly maintenance for his project, right, for the same website. And all these things, all the website, everything on the website was created with AI, right? Let me reload this page so that you won't think maybe this is actually edited or fabricated. So I'm going to reload the page right now. So as you can see, I've loaded the page, and you can see the maintenance payments. And let me go to the one that he has paid already. You can see this is equivalent to $750. Let me also show you the review that I got from that person. You can see superb results and perfect at following instruction. I am very happy to recommend as the best driver for AI and complex coding. So just imagine the kind of review that I got from this same person, and everything that I did was created with AI from scratch to finish. And let me even show you what I did for the person. So as you can see right now, this was the website I created for the buyer or for the clients that paid me that was over $800 plus. Yes, that was around $860 if we calculate everything together. So you can see how fast the website is. Everything is intact. You can see, you can even view the pricing page right here, and the pricing is going to load. You can see the about page, as you can see right now, the FAQ, the contact us, everything is actually listed. Everything is actually listed on this. And you can also switch from light mode to dark mode, and you won't believe it, all these things are created with AI. I created this website from start to finish with AI, right? Which is what I am also going to teach you in this blueprint. So this was the payments that the client or buyer paid to me on Stripe, right? Just as an extra amount that he paid to me on Stripe for that same website. And as you can see right here, you can see the conversion from £100 gives 116 euros or 114 euros, which is also equivalent to $116, right? So let us make the calculation right now, as you can see. So let me also reload the Stripe page so that you can see that this is real, and you can see the date right there. So yeah, as you can see it's loading right now, and say it's rolling. Yeah, so you can see it. This is the amount right here. This is the amount. You can see it right here, and you can see the payments was made successful. That was May 31st 2025. Yeah, May 31st. That was when the person paid to my Stripe account. So let us calculate the equivalent amount that was gotten from this. The first one was 750 on Fiverr, but Fiverr is going to remove their own percentage, which is 20%. So that will be remaining $600 plus. This one is equivalent to $116 or $114. So that will be plus $114. That's $714 equivalent amount that was charged, apart from the maintenance fee, because the maintenance fee is a monthly maintenance fee, and I'm going to be collecting that just for just to keep the person's website to exist, you understand, just to make simple editing and all those stuffs, you understand. He was the one that requested for, he needed maintenance fee just to be watching his website for him, and he'll be paying me for that. So let me multiply it by the current dollar rate. I think dollar rate, it should be around 1,600 and above. So let me just multiply it by 1,600, and that is 1.142.4 million naira. As you can see, that's 1.1 million naira. Just everything created with AI. The website was created from scratch to finish with AI, which is what I'm about to teach you in this blueprint. Yeah, so guys, this is the presentation on the AI website development money blueprint, where you're going to learn how to develop any website of your choice with AI from scratch to finish. You can do it for your business, your personal business, and you can also build it for your clients or for people that you are going to charge a lot of money, both in dollars, naira, Ghana cedis, or any currency. So without further ado, let us dive right into it. So I am going to show you a proof from one of my clients that paid me a total of around 1.3 million, which is $864, for a website that I built for him with AI. So you can see he paid me a sum of $750 on Fiverr, as you can see it right here. For that particular website, I was one that decided to split it into two so that I can be able to rank my gig. He paid me another $114 on my Stripe account for that same website, just for that same website. And right now, he has also placed another order of $100 for monthly maintenance fee, just for me to be watching his website, to be maintaining his website every month, and he's going to keep paying it continually that way. So guys, let me show you the review that I also got from this particular person. You can see he said, superb results and perfect at following instruction. I am very happy to recommend as the best on Fiverr for AI and complex coding. And mind you, everything that I created, the website I created for this particular person, was done from scratch to finish with AI, whereby even a newbie or someone that doesn't even know how to use PC, or anyone that doesn't know how to write any code, not even HTML code or any code at all, can build it the same way I did it. What are you going to learn from this blueprint? Number one, you are going to learn how to access the best AI web development tools for free, totally free. You are also going to learn how to set up your development environment to create websites clients can never reject. You will also learn how to create a robust prompt to build any type of website you want with AI, whether your personal website or website for people, for portfolio websites, real estate websites, coaching websites, digital marketing websites, and so much more. You will learn how to troubleshoot and fix any error on your website with AI. You are going to learn how to customize websites to your taste with AI. I will show you my secret website where I buy cheap domains. I will also teach you how to connect your domain from any platform to your website so you can go live. You will learn how to build your personal business website without hiring a developer at all. You will learn how to build any website for others and earn a lot of money. You will learn how to build a professional website with AI on your phone and on your laptop. You will learn how to build websites with Canva AI, edit it, and connect domain to go live. So, who is this blueprint for? This is for both newbies and pros in the tech space. Number one, anyone with or without any tech skill. If you have a tech skill, you have no tech skill, this blueprint is for you. If you are a freelancer and you want to scale up your freelancing skills, this is for you. If you are an internet marketer, this is for you. You are a YouTuber, digital marketer, affiliate marketer, business owner, website owners, email marketers, realtors, coaches, professionals, or even digital beginners, this is totally for you. The original amount of this blueprint is cost 100,000 naira, but I will be giving early bird access for only 5 people. The first 5 people to get access to this will be given an early bird access for just 10,000 naira only. That is crazy, right? The same process, the same method I used to earn millions, I'm giving it for only 10,000 naira just for the first 5 early bird, right? And Once you make payments, I will be giving you instant access, and you will also get a 14-day money back guarantee, whereby if you are not satisfied with what you learn, you can charge back. I am going to refund you 100% amount of your money. So make sure you don't miss this incredible opportunity. Click the button or any link you see around this video to join the early bird access now and get the 90% off right now. So bye guys.